It is finally Easter spring season and I'm so excited. I love hosting and decorating on a budget. And in today's video, we're going to be doing some Pottery Barn dupes for the spring and Easter season. So if you love decorating and hosting on a budget, this is the video and channel for you. So we are at TJ MAXX and they have such adorable Easter tableware out. They do have Peter Rabbit inspired dinnerware out here. They've got plates, they've got smaller plates that are rabbits. These aren't actually Peter Rabbit, but they are a cute print. And then they have this adorable Peter Rabbit, which I love. They also have these cute egg plates, and then they had a variety of more spring looking plates. They do even have Peter Rabbit napkins, which I thought were adorable as well. And then they have just some bunny prints and other dinnerware napkins. These are the more high-end paper napkins, so if you're looking to buy paper napkins, these are the ones that are more elegant and give a more elevated look. They also have some really cute table runners, which we're also going to pick up. Before we get started with the tablescape, let's talk about some things we already had on hand to make this a little bit cheaper. So something I suggest is that you go through your stuff, find what you already have on hand. It's less of a purchase price and you get to reuse things you already have. So for starters, I went ahead and I'm going to use these placemats. I got these at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago when their spring stuff went on sale. I like to pick these up when it at least is at 66% off or more. They will have placemats, they'll have chargers, they'll have all kinds of stuff that you can use for entertaining and parties, and I like to buy stuff that you can use for multiple seasons. So we'll be using these. I'm also going to be using chargers I got from Hobby Lobby. I picked up these pink ones a couple years ago. They're $3.99 regular price, so 66% off makes them about $1.50, maybe a little bit more, $1.75, but it is a really good deal to pick these up then. Now, I like to pick up colors I can use for multiple seasons. So pink, you can use for Valentine's, Easter, Mother's Day. There's a lot of options for this. So if you have limited space or limited budget, you're gonna pick up colors that you can reuse for other things. We're also going to be using these tulips that I got on Amazon. They are a really great deal, and I will link them down in the description box. They have multiple colors. I also have yellow. We're going to be using pink today because in the Pottery Barn website, they had pink tulips. Now, they have theirs in a clear vase, which I do have one from Dollar Tree, but I decided to go ahead and use this Easter pitcher. I picked this up at TJ MAXX last year. It was on clearance. Someone had returned it and I just happened to be there the day that they returned it. Lucky me. So I think this is adorable and I want to use this as my centerpiece rather than the clear glass vase. But if you don't have something like this, you can use one of those clear glass vases from Dollar Tree. It'll work just fine. It'll actually look more like the inspiration piece. The last thing that we're going to use are these little napkin rings. I actually made these in a DIY, so you can check out that video at the end of this video if you want to make these cute napkin rings for yourself. I decided to use these instead of the ones from Hobby Lobby, and I could not find any from TJ MAXX, which is where the bulk of our stuff came from today. So instead of using something from another store, I'm going to use the ones I already made. So let's get to creating our tablescape. This is the part of the video where I say, if you like what you're seeing, like and share this video, subscribe, and let's get back to decorating. I forgot to mention that the plates that we're using today for this tablescape are from TJ Maxx, obviously, and they are all paper. So these were $4.99 each for each of these design items. I did pick up a couple other plates I'll show you later. I didn't actually end up using in this tablescape, and I believe they were $5.99, but these round ones were all $4.99 each, and you get 16 plates in each of the packages. So that's quite a bit if you're serving a large dinner party, or you want to do multiple dinner parties, or you're going to use these for like a lunch, or you could even use these for Mother's Day, honestly. But they're adorable at a very good price point, and like I said, you get 16 of them each. So now, I also picked up a couple of plates that we're not going to use today, but they were so cute, and I did see similar ones on the Pottery Barn website. So they have this really cute Easter egg one, and I thought that was really cute. I thought about putting it in the middle of our plates, but then it just didn't really go. But this was a really cute option. And then my favorite, and I'm still going to use these somehow, but they had these very cute Peter Rabbit plates that I thought were adorable. I just couldn't figure out how to use them. I think they would be really adorable maybe just laying out on the table with like treats on them or something. You could use them as appetizer plates or something, but these are really adorable too. Before we show the final reveal, let's talk about price point. So all of these items, if you remember, or most of them, tableware items came from TJ Maxx, and they're all paper products. So our dinner plate, our appetizer plate, and our small like dessert plate or salad plate are all the paper products. We have paper napkins, we have homemade napkin rings, and then the other parts, our table runner is not paper. It did come from TJ Maxx though. And then we have a couple other items that came from Hobby Lobby, our little candy dish, our salt and pepper shakers, and then the few items I had on hand here at home. So the total price that we spent was $46 at TJ Maxx, and that included my Peter Rabbit plate and the egg plate that I did not use. So if you don't buy the extra plates, it might be a little bit cheaper, depending on what else you need to buy. The price for Pottery Barn's tablescape is $571. I don't think I've ever spent that much money on anything, actually, but I can't even imagine spending that on some kind of a tablescape for a meal. But I love how this turned out, and honestly, these plates are adorable, and I could totally see myself using this same arrangement for some kind of party. The nice part about this is it could be spring and not just Easter, so it does have a lot of plates, and you could reuse these, or not reuse them, but you could use them again, or if you're serving a large dinner party, you have 16 plates each. So let's look at the final reveal, and you guys let me know what you think about this and if this looks like something that you would recreate for your Easter dinner. how I created this same Pottery Barn inspired tablescape using Hobby Lobby home decor items, go to this video next and I'll see you there. Bye friends.